Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Real Talk English Now. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Before we start, if you like this podcast, please subscribe. It's free. And leave us a comment. We love to read your messages.
Yes, your comments make us smile. So, Emma, what is today's topic?
Today, we talk about procrastination. That's a big word. Let me say it slowly. Procrastination. Say it with me. Procrastination. Good job.
Procrastination. What does it mean, Emma?
Procrastination means you wait. You say, I will do it later. But later never comes.
Oh, like when I say, I will study English on Monday.
Exactly. And Monday, it never arrives. James, say the hook with me. Ready?
Ready.
Monday is the most dangerous day.
Because it never arrives. Ha, I love that.
Today, we help you stop waiting. We help you start now. Not Monday, not tomorrow. Now.
I like it. Let's go, friends. Let's start.
James, let me ask you a question. When do you study English?
Well, I want to study, but I'm always busy.
Busy? Very popular word. Tell me, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I drink coffee, I check my phone.
How long do you check your phone?
Maybe 30 minutes? Maybe more.
30 minutes on the phone, but no time for English?
Okay, that's not good. But Emma, I need 3 hours to study. I don't have 3 hours.
James, stop. Who told you that you need 3 hours?
I don't know. I just think I need a lot of time.
You don't need 3 hours. You need 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes every day.
5 minutes? That's not enough.
James, 5 minutes every day is 35 minutes every week. It is 150 minutes every month. Small steps become big progress.
Wow, that is actually a lot.
Yes. Listeners, remember this. Small steps every day. Don't wait for Monday. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Small steps every day.
Small steps every day.
I don't need 3 hours.
I don't need 3 hours.
I can start right now.
I can start right now. That felt good.
Great job, everyone! You're improving already. James, I have a challenge for you.
Oh no. A challenge?
Don't worry, it's easy. I want you to learn one new word right now.
Just one word?
Just one. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
The word is accomplish. Say it. A-com-plish.
Accomplish. Accomplish.
Good. What do you think it means?
Finish something? Complete something?
Yes, accomplish means to successfully finish something. For example, today I accomplished my goal.
Today I accomplished my goal. I like that sentence.
Now you know one new word, and it took how long?
2 minutes? Maybe less.
Exactly. Listeners, you also just learned this word. Write it down. A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H. Accomplish.
That's our engagement question, right, Emma?
Yes. We want to ask you right now, what is one English word you can learn right this second? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, it can be any word. A word you heard today, a word from a song, any word.
Accomplish. To successfully complete something. Today, I accomplished my goal. Listener challenge. Pause the podcast right now, Write down the word accomplish on a piece of paper. Use it in one sentence. Then press play again. You can do it.
Emma, can I tell you my excuses? My real excuses for not studying?
Yes, please. Tell us everything.
Okay, number 1. I'm tired after work.
I understand. But can you learn one word while you eat breakfast?
Maybe. Yes.
Tell me your breakfast.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Perfect. A banana takes 2 minutes. That is enough time to learn one new word.
Oh, wow. Okay. Excuse number 2, I don't know where to start.
Start here. Start with this podcast. You are already learning. Right now, at this moment, you are learning.
That's true. I am learning.
Excuse number 3.
I am scared to make mistakes.
Oh, James, that's a very important one. Listeners, are you scared of mistakes too?
I think many people are.
Listen carefully. Mistakes are your friends. When you make a mistake, you learn. Every mistake is a lesson.
Every mistake is a lesson. I like that.
Let's repeat it together. Every mistake is a lesson.
Every mistake is a lesson. Listeners, say it with us.
Great. Now, no more excuses. You have everything you need. You have time, you have this podcast, you have you.
I feel motivated. Is that the right word, Emma? Motivated?
That's the perfect word. Motivated means you want to do something. You feel energy. You feel ready.
I feel motivated to study English right now.
Motivated when you feel energy and you want to do something. Mistake when you do something wrong, and that is okay. Now, let's practice a short conversation. This is something you can say in real life. Listen first, then repeat with us.
I'll be person A, Emma is person B. Ready? Person A. When do you study English?
Person B, I study a little every day. Small steps.
Person A. Really? How long?
Person B, just 5 or 10 minutes. It's enough.
Person A. That's a great idea. Maybe I can try that too.
Person B, yes, start today, not Monday, today. Now, let's do it again. Slower. Repeat each line after us. Ready? Let's go.
When do you study English?
I study a little every day. Small steps.
Really? How long?
Just 5 or 10 minutes. It's enough.
That's a great idea. Maybe I can try that too.
Yes, start today. Not Monday, today.
Beautiful. Listeners, you are doing amazing, really.
Every sentence you repeat, that is progress. That is real progress. Okay, friends, it's time to wrap up. Let's look at today's key phrases. James, can you help me?
Of course. I love the recap.
Key phrase number 1, procrastination. What is it, James?
Procrastination. When you wait and say, I'll do it later. Procrastination.
Number 2, small steps. What does it mean?
Small steps, little actions every day. They make big progress.
Number 3, accomplish.
Accomplish. To successfully finish something. Today, I accomplished my English lesson.
Number 4, motivated.
Motivated. You feel energy. You feel ready. I am motivated right now.
And number 5, every mistake is a lesson.
Every mistake is a lesson. Don't be scared. Just try.
Quick recap. Today's key phrases. 1, procrastination. 2, small steps. 3, accomplish. 4, motivated. And 5, every mistake is a lesson. James, what is your number 1 lesson from today?
My number 1 lesson. I don't need 3 hours. I need 5 minutes, and I can start right now.
I love it. And friends, you proved something today. You listened, you repeated, you learned new words. That is real progress.
You didn't wait for Monday, you started today, and that is amazing.
Now it's your turn. We have 2 questions for you today.
Question number 1, what is one English word you can learn right this second?
Write it in the comments. Any word, big or small. We want to read every single one.
Question number 2, the fun one, what is the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us, do you drink coffee? Do you check your phone? Do you eat a banana like James?
My quick breakfast is a banana. That's my answer. What about you?
Write your answer in the comments. We read every comment. And if you comment, we will reply.
Yes, real people, real replies. We are here with you.
Before we go, remember today's main message. Are you ready?
Ready.
Monday is the most dangerous day.
Because it never arrives.
So start today. Start now. Even one word, even one sentence, it all counts.
Thank you for listening, friends. You are doing great. We mean it.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And share this episode with a friend who needs a little push.
See you next time on Real Talk English Now. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep going. You've got this.